Hey, Chef Bobby here again, and today I'm going to help you make some flatbread snacks. So today we're making flatbread faces. What are you going to need to make that? Let me show you. Any flatbread will do. This is just like a simple pita bread. Some cream cheese. We're going to be using blueberries, raspberries, and peppers. So whatever flatbread you have, this is just like a pita bread, and we're going to take a little bit of cream cheese here. We're going to cover our flatbread, and we'll take some veggies, put it all on there. We can decorate it any way we want. There's no rules. Who doesn't like a raspberry nose? I sure do. And blueberry eyeballs. And that is today's snack. I hope you guys enjoy.